In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean Google Drive storage. If your drive is running out of room or you're seeing storage warnings across Drive, Gmail, and Photos, this walkthrough will help you reclaim space quickly using Google's built-in tools. We'll open Drive, head to Storage, and use Google's cleanup recommendations to find and permanently remove the biggest space hogs. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. At the top right, click the grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Drive to launch your Google Drive. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're signed into the account whose storage you want to clean, so the changes affect the right place. Once Drive is open, look to the left side panel and select Storage. This view shows how much space you're using and often lists files by size, making it easy to spot large items. On the storage page, click Clean Up Space. This opens Google's storage management in a new tab, where everything is organized for you and ready to review. It's a convenient hub that pulls together Drive items and other data that may be taking up space. On the Cleanup Suggested Items page, you'll see helpful categories. Focus on the section for large files to get the biggest impact fast. Click Review in that Large Files area to see a list of your heaviest items. Take a moment to preview anything you're unsure about. You can open files or use the info panel to confirm what they are and whether you still need them. A quick tip: files you own count toward your storage, while items shared with you typically do not. Deleting a file you own may remove access for collaborators, so be certain before proceeding. Now, select the unwanted files by clicking them. Choose only what you're comfortable permanently removing. When you're ready, click Delete. A confirmation will appear. Read it carefully and check the box acknowledging that deleted items can't be recovered. This is irreversible in this flow, so make sure you've reviewed everything first. Then click Permanently Delete to complete the cleanup. After deletion, your storage total may update within a few minutes. If you need to free even more space, you can return to the Storage Management page and review other suggested categories from the same screen. Consider downloading important files before deleting them, and repeat this review process periodically to keep your drive lean and organized. That's it! Your Google Drive storage is now cleaner and more efficient.